In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Vids in Google Workspace. Whether you're creating a quick explainer, a training video, or a short presentation, this tool can help you put everything together in just a few minutes, even if you're not a video editor. I'll walk you through the basic process from opening Google Vids to planning your story, choosing a style, and letting the tool automatically generate your video structure. To get started, make sure you're signed into your Google Workspace account in your browser. Open any workspace tab you're already using like Gmail, Drive, or Docs. In the top right corner, look for the Google Apps icon. This is the small grid made up of 9 dots. Click that icon to open the Apps menu. In the list of available apps, find the purple Vids icon. Go ahead and click that, and Google Vids will open in a new tab or window. Once Google Vids has loaded, you'll see options for starting a new project. Here, you want to look for the option called Help Me Create. This is the assisted creation tool that uses your description to build a video outline for you. Click Help Me Create, and you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the video you want. In this prompt, be as clear and specific as you can. For example, you might type something like, create a 2-minute onboarding video for new marketing hires. Include details such as the audience, the purpose of the video, and the approximate length if you know it. The more context you give, the better the initial result will match what you have in mind. You don't have to write a full script here, just focus on what the video is about and what you want it to accomplish. After you've typed your prompt and confirmed it, you'll be asked to choose a style for your video. This is where you pick a visual theme that matches your brand, your audience, or simply the tone you're going for. You'll see options like minimal, bold, corporate, and possibly others depending on your workspace setup. If you want something clean and simple that doesn't distract from the message, minimal is a good choice. If your content is more energetic and you want strong visuals and color, bold might be better. For a professional, polished look that fits business environments, corporate is often the right fit. Don't worry too much here. You can always adjust and refine the look later, but choosing a style up front gives Google Vids a strong starting point. Once you've selected your style, Google Vids will move into auto generation. This is where the tool does most of the heavy lifting for you. Based on your prompt and the style you chose, it will assemble a sequence of scenes that form the backbone of your video. Each scene will come with suggested stock footage or imagery, background music options, and a draft script that reflects the topic and tone you described. Let the system finish generating and then review what it has created. You'll see a timeline of scenes, each with visuals and text. From here, you can refine the script, swap out stock footage for your own clips or images, and adjust music if needed. But the key steps you've just completed are opening Google Vids from the Apps menu, using Help Me Create to plan your story, picking a style, and letting the automatic generation build your initial video.